Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish curry at home, updated. Start by choosing firm white fish and patting it dry, then marinate with turmeric, salt, and lemon for 15 minutes while you prepare spices and aromatics. Heat oil, temper mustard seeds and curry leaves, then sauté onions until golden. Add ginger, garlic, tomatoes, and ground spices. Cook until oil separates. Add coconut milk and simmer gently with fish until cooked through and flavors meld. I love simple techniques that boost flavor and shorten prep time, so here are practical steps to balance heat and acidity. Toast whole spices briefly to release aroma, grind coarsely for texture, and bloom powders in oil for deeper flavor. Use tamarind or lemon to brighten, and add coconut milk for richness. Simmer gently to avoid breaking the fish, and finish with fresh cilantro and a drizzle of lime zest. Quick break, if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice shown here for a pleasant scent while you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Enjoy the short pause. Now let's get back to the video, everyone. Pairing and storage tips help you enjoy fish curry longer and impress guests with minimal effort. Serve over steamed rice or with flatbreads, and garnish with sliced chilies for extra kick. Leftovers keep well refrigerated for up to 2 days, and you can gently reheat without boiling to preserve texture. For a lighter option, swap coconut milk for yogurt, or for a smokier depth, char tomatoes before adding them quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.